If you think packing for Thailand is easy, you're probably about to make the same mistakes thousands of travelers make every single year. And honestly, some of these mistakes can ruin your trip before it even starts, because Thailand is not like packing for Europe or America or most places people are used to visiting. The weather is different, the culture is different, the lifestyle is different, and if you pack the wrong way, you'll feel it almost immediately. Heavy bags, sweaty clothes, wrong shoes, forgotten essentials, airport problems, even unnecessary stress. I didn't fully understand this the first time I came to Thailand either. I thought, how hard can it be? Big mistake. Because after just a few days, I realized I packed for the version of Thailand I imagined in my head, not the real Thailand. And trust me, those are two very different things. So in this video, we're talking about the 10 worst Thailand packing mistakes people keep making in 2026, not generic travel advice, real mistakes that actually affect your experience once you land here. Because once you understand how Thailand really works, packing becomes much simpler and your entire trip feels smoother. Let's start with mistake number 1. Overpacking clothes. This is probably the biggest mistake of all. People arrive in Thailand carrying giant suitcases packed for every possible situation: jeans, jackets, heavy outfits, multiple shoes. And within 2 days, they regret everything. Thailand is hot, not just summer vacation hot, tropical hot, humid hot. Walk outside for 10 minutes in Bangkok or Pattaya, and suddenly you're sweating through clothes you thought looked perfect at home, especially during rainy season. Humidity here feels completely different if you're not used to Southeast Asia. That's why experienced travelers pack light, very light, because the reality is you'll probably wear the same comfortable clothes most of the trip anyway. Light shirts, shorts, breathable fabrics, sandals. Simple. And honestly, laundry services are everywhere in Thailand. Cheap too. So carrying massive amounts of clothing usually becomes unnecessary weight. Now, mistake number 2. Packing expensive jewelry or flashy items. Thailand is generally safe for tourists, but like every major tourist destination, attention attracts attention, and many travelers make themselves obvious targets immediately. Luxury watches, gold chains, designer bags, large amounts of cash, especially in nightlife areas. Now, this doesn't mean Thailand is dangerous, it does mean awareness matters. Because tourist-heavy areas naturally attract scams, opportunists, and pickpockets. The smarter approach is stay low-key, comfortable, relaxed. Thailand is not the place where anyone is impressed by expensive accessories. Most experienced travelers here look casual. Now, mistake number 3, wrong shoes. This sounds small until you experience Thailand's sidewalks during rain, or spend hours walking through Bangkok markets, or accidentally wear heavy sneakers in tropical humidity. A lot of travelers bring stylish shoes instead of practical ones, and then suffer immediately. Thailand involves more walking than people expect. Uneven streets, wet roads, beach areas, night markets, temple visits. Comfort matters far more than fashion here. That's why lightweight, breathable shoes or sandals become essential, especially waterproof ones, because rain can appear suddenly in Thailand, very suddenly. Now, mistake number 4, forgetting power adapters and charging gear. This one frustrates people constantly, especially travelers carrying multiple devices: phones, cameras, power banks, laptops. Thailand uses different plug systems than many countries, and airports often charge ridiculous prices for adapters if you forget them. Another mistake is not bringing a power bank. Thailand days are long. You'll use maps constantly, translation apps, ride apps, photos, videos, and suddenly your battery disappears halfway through the day, especially in Bangkok traffic or Long Island trips. A good power bank becomes a lifesaver here. Now, mistake number 5, packing clothes that disrespect temple culture. This surprises many first-time visitors. Thailand is relaxed in many ways, but temples are different. You can't just walk into sacred areas wearing tiny shorts or revealing outfits. And every year, tourists get denied entry because they didn't prepare properly. especially at famous temples in Bangkok, the Grand Palace, Wat Arun, Wat Po. Shoulders covered, appropriate clothing, respectful appearance. That matters, and honestly, it should. Because once you understand Thai culture, you realize respect is taken seriously here. So always pack at least one modest outfit for temple visits. It saves embarrassment later. Now, mistake number 6, ignoring medicine and stomach preparation. This is a big one. Thai food is incredible, street food especially, but your stomach may disagree at first. Different spices, different oils, different bacteria environment, and many travelers arrive completely unprepared. No basic medicine, no hydration tablets, no stomach relief. Then suddenly one bad meal ruins 2 days of their vacation. Now, to be clear, most Thai food is perfectly fine. Millions eat it daily. But your body may need time adjusting, especially if you're not used to tropical food environments. That's why experienced travelers always carry small emergency medicine kits. Nothing extreme, just basics. And trust me, you'll feel much safer having them. Now, mistake number 7, packing too much for nightlife fantasies. This one's interesting. A lot of people arrive in Thailand imagining non-stop luxury nightlife every night. Fancy shirts, dress shoes, heavy cologne, club outfits. Then reality hits. Thailand nightlife is far more casual than many expect, especially in places like Pattaya. People dress comfortably, light clothes, relaxed style. And honestly, in tropical weather, comfort wins every single time. You don't need 10 nightclub outfits here. Most people stop caring after the humidity destroys their third shirt anyway. Now, mistake number 8, forgetting waterproof protection. This is massive during rainy season. Thailand rain isn't light drizzle. Sometimes it feels like the sky completely explodes, and suddenly your phone is soaked, your passport gets wet, your electronics are ruined. Every year, tourists underestimate tropical rain, then panic later. Waterproof bags, Ziploc protection, small umbrella, rain cover. These things matter far more than people realize, especially during island travel or motorbike rides. Now, mistake number 9, bringing giant luggage everywhere. Thailand transportation is not always suitcase-friendly. Small sidewalks, busy streets, motorbike taxis, boats, crowded airports. Dragging huge, heavy luggage through Bangkok heat becomes exhausting very quickly, especially if you move around often. That's why many experienced travelers now prefer backpacks or smaller suitcases. Mobility matters here, a lot, because Thailand trips usually involve movement. Bangkok today, Pattaya tomorrow, Phuket next week. The lighter you travel, the easier life becomes. And finally, mistake number 10. Packing with fantasy expectations instead of reality. This is the biggest mistake overall. People pack for Instagram Thailand. Perfect beaches, luxury cafes, endless parties, beautiful sunsets every hour. But real Thailand? It's also heat, humidity, traffic, rain, walking, sweating, adaptation. And honestly, that's part of what makes it unforgettable. Thailand rewards flexible travelers, people who adapt quickly, who stay relaxed, who don't panic when plans change, because plans will change here. Rainstorms happen, transport delays happen, weather shifts suddenly, and travelers who prepare mentally for flexibility enjoy Thailand much more than those chasing perfection. That's the real secret nobody talks about. Good packing isn't just about clothes, it's about mindset. Once you arrive understanding Thailand for what it really is, not just what social media shows, everything becomes easier. You stress less, you move easier, you enjoy more. At the end of the day, Thailand is still one of the best travel destinations in the world. The food, the beaches, the energy, the culture, it's incredible. But Thailand becomes much more enjoyable when you stop fighting the environment and start adapting to it. So before you fly here, pack smart, pack light, pack realistically. Because the travelers who prepare properly usually end up having the best experiences. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more real, honest Thailand travel content. And if Thailand taught you any packing lessons the hard way, share your experience in the comments. Stay smart, stay prepared, and enjoy the journey.